Which came first, the chicken or the egg? This is commentary from James Brown. Yes, that's a literal, honest question that I think we've all asked, or at least joked about at one time or another. Well, it looks like scientists from the University of Geneva may have cracked this mystery. Their research claims a tiny microbe has been creating multicellular structures resembling embryos for 1 billion years. Or in simplest terms, they think the concept of an egg, or at least the most basic version of an egg, came first. And here's the thing, they could be wrong. They're scientists, they're not Jesus. A new theory tomorrow could scramble this all, but let's humor them. If they're right, long before the first chicken strutted across Earth, or before dinosaurs were a glimmer in evolution's eye, these tiny organisms were running what looks like an ancient egg factory. According to the journal Nature, these aren't eggs as we know them. They're more like blueprints. Nature's first draft. Think about it. While we debate over omelets, looks like this mystery has been solved before there were even feathers. What do you think? Does this reshape how you see the world? Or is it just another fascinating twist on nature's timeline? Share your thoughts and explore more at jamesbrowntv.substack.com. On that note, I'm James Brown, and as always, be well.